In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an Upwork proposed contract. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the proposal in your account, review it confidently, and send a clear, professional response to the client. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and click the official Upwork website. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your account so you can access your messages and proposals. Once you're on Upwork, go to Messages from the main navigation. This is where clients typically send proposed contracts. Open the conversation with the client who sent the offer. Inside that chat, look for the option that says View Proposed Contract and click it to see the full details. Take a moment to review the contract carefully. Check the project title and make sure it matches what you discussed. Look at the rate or budget, whether it's hourly or fixed price, and confirm any milestones, due dates, and deliverables. If there's a timeline, verify it's realistic for the scope. Make note of anything you'd like to clarify, such as the number of revisions, meeting schedules, or file formats, so you can address those in your reply. Reading the entire proposal now helps prevent misunderstandings later. When you're ready to respond, click Send a message from the proposal view. This opens a message composer right in the same thread. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, you can type something along the lines of, "Hello, thank you for the contract offer. I've reviewed the details and I'm happy to accept the proposed contract. I look forward to working with you and delivering the project as agreed." Keep it polite, concise, and specific to the proposal so the client knows you've read it thoroughly. If you need clarification or a small adjustment before moving forward, keep the tone positive and solution-oriented. For example, you might say you're excited to get started and ask to confirm the timeline, or propose a slight revision to a milestone. Staying professional and clear makes collaboration smoother and builds trust. After drafting your message, click the Send button to deliver it. Your response will appear in the chat, and the client will be notified. Keep all communications within Upwork for transparency and protection, and check your messages for any follow-up questions or confirmations from the client. That's it. You found the proposal, reviewed it, wrote a professional reply, and sent it off. You're ready to move forward with confidence.